Good morning to all dear students of class 6. Today we discuss exercise 4a, the chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is integer. First of all, we discuss about what is absolute value. Absolute value, because absolute value is nothing but this is the sign modulus mod of a mod of minus a, and you get only the value of a. We are taking only the face value. I repeat again, we are only taking face value. We do not consider place value. Because if you consider place value, the sign is put, put the sign before it. It means it shows the place value. We take 0 as a reference point when we consider place value. Either it is situated in the left side of 0 or the right side of 0. It means it nothing. What is the means of it? The means of it is only place value, not face value. But when we consider absolute value, we take only face value. This is the sign. This is the sign, which means the full form of the sign is modulus. Short form we can mod. Modulus of a or mod of a is equal to mod of minus a, and we take only the, we can take only face value of it. I take the example and we start from today's session. Exercise 4a, question number 2. First part is going on. The first part is minus 12 plus 12. And what is coming after this? Because of you know very well, mod minus a is equal to mod a, and it converts into the face value. Now 12 is coming, and here 12. The answer is 24. What is the answer? Answer is 24. So this is your first question, first part of question number 2. We consider the second part of it. Question number 2. We take the second part of it. Now we take the second part. This is your first part. Now we take the second part of it. And what is the second part? Second part we take mod plus 14 minus mod minus 14. Is it clear? Now you know very well, according to the formula, according to the syntax, mod a is equal to mod minus a is equal to a. This is the syntax behind it. This is the formula behind it. So now mod plus 14 convert to only 14 because we are taking only face value, not we take place value. And here convert it to only face value, not we take place value. It means we do not consider the sign before the digit. Now the answer is 0. What is the answer? After subtracting 14 from 14, you get 0. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now we take another example of it. This is the syntax of this question. Now we take fourth part of it. Mod 53 minus mod 35. We only consider, again I repeat, we only consider face value, not place value. So now 53 from here minus 35. Now but we take, this is a horizontal way, this is a vertical method. We take in this way. After that, substitute, carry on. 13 minus 5, 8. 4 minus 3, 18. So the answer is 18. Is it clear? What is the answer? 18 is your answer. Is it clear? I think you clear about this concept. This is your absolute value. What is absolute value? When we do not consider any reference point, it is known as absolute value. And when we consider absolute reference point, it is not absolute value. Just like face value and place value. In place value we consider 0 as a reference point. But when we do not consider any reference point, it converts into the face value. So if we take face value, it is similar to the absolute value. Is it clear? So this is your question number 2. I complete 3 parts of it and rest part are solved by yourself.